Hi everyone, for today's challenge you will be using a cardboard box to design something. So in order to place a picture here, since you obviously cannot draw on it, I wanted to teach you how to insert a photo. So you press insert, and you go to image, and you go down to camera. Now, all of your Chromebooks have cameras. So when you click this, it might ask you here if you want to allow the camera to turn on, and you press yes. And then when you click camera, it'll show you. And so then all you have to do is turn it towards what you want to take a picture of. So my box is a home for my chickens. And so once you have a picture, you take it and then you press insert, and so that's a picture of my box, not a very good one, and you just move it to the spot that you want it, and now you can type here and you're all done.